to the Upper Mainline Y Nature Center. Let's go take a look around. So our Nature Center has been here for over 20 years, and it is the home to many native, mostly native, and some non-native animals. Our favorite girl, Sparky, the snapping turtle. She is over 20 years old. Look at her beautiful tank. The biggest freshwater tank in the Mid-Atlantic. And we are so thankful. This is Casey, the chinchilla. Hi, Casey boy. How are you today? Casey's nocturnal, so sometimes during the day he likes to sleep. Or maybe he's feeling camera shy. This is our Florida red-bellied turtle. He loves to bask. Sometimes you'll find him swimming in his pond. Ooh, who likes snakes? This is our northern pine snake, over 5 feet long. Can't tell right now, she's all curled up. Over here, we have our sweet Harlequin rabbit. Harley! Hi, Harley! She's a favorite, rightfully so. What a cute face. Hi, Harley. And here we have 2 eastern box turtles. Let's see. Can you find them? Gotta look really close. Did you see one? There's one. Where's the other one? Nope. Nope. There it is. 2 eastern box turtles. Best of friends. And this is our wood turtle. Wood turtles are endlessly fascinating, and you'll get to learn more about each of our animals during our Nature and STEM series. Say how. Look how sweet. He's a beautiful orange color. It's hard to tell right now because he's hanging out in his pond, which he often does. But he's also got a really cool log, some nice bright light, and some cool hiding spots. But you see, he's curious. He's like, who's there? And who do we have here? Look at this gorgeous pond. Let's see if we can open it. Hi, sweets. This is our red-eared slider. He loves to sit in the sun. That is his favorite thing to do. But look how pretty his pond is. He's got a lot of space to swim around if he wants to. But he prefers to sit and hang in the sun. This is Mushu, our bearded dragon. He loves his heated rock. Up here, we have our ornate box turtle. We call him Happy. Oh, Happy likes the camera. Happy's very curious. He always likes to know what's going on. And then we've got his lovely neighbor. Another beautiful box turtle. Sitting in the sun on his log. And this is our eastern painted turtle having a little bask. Oh. And in this tank is our Midland painted turtle named Joey. Joey! Where are you, Joey? Sometimes he likes to sit outside his water, his little pond. Sometimes he likes to hide in his log. But he's usually curious when someone comes calling. Watch. Joey! Oh, Joey! Is Joey there? There's Joey. Hi, Joey. How are you, cute little Joey? See? Well, maybe we'll get to see him another time when we get more in depth about all of our animals here at the Nature Center.